Oh, yeah.
On flooded roads.
Okay, so in this next clip, I basically give y'all an update as far as what alerts have expired and which ones remained in effect. And also, I'd let y'all know of the damage that occurred due to these severe thunderstorms. Now, the thing is, I say that there are 2 severe thunderstorm warnings and they have both expired. But the thing is, y'all only saw 1 severe thunderstorm warning. For some reason, I don't know why, but I don't have a video of the second severe thunderstorm warning. I know I recorded it because I saw on the SD card and it was on there when I transferred the files to my laptop. But I don't know if it got corrupt somehow and my laptop automatically got rid of it or what the deal was. But I no longer have a video of the second severe thunderstorm warning. So, yeah. Anyways, I do apologize about that, but hey, there's nothing I can do now. Anyway, so yeah, with that being said, here we go with the update. Okay, so quick little update. As you can see, it is currently 6:20 p.m. The 2 severe thunderstorm warnings you saw in the last 2 clips have been allowed to expire. The only alert that remains in effect is the flash flood warning, which will expire in 10 minutes at 6:30. Now, surprisingly, there has been as much damage as we normally see with severe thunderstorms. The only 2 incidents I'm aware of is 1, down power lines up in the Edmond area, which is affecting one of our major interstates, and also one of our turnpikes here in Oklahoma. And because the storms came in just before rush hour, there is a big backup in both directions of travel on the interstate, and also causing a backup on the turnpike. So, yeah. They're working as fast as they can in order to get those power lines off the road so that people can get to wherever they need to be. So, yeah. And also, there was a house fire near downtown, and the cause was blamed on lightning. They don't have the official cause yet, but they're just blaming it on the lightning. So, yeah, so those are the 2 incidents I'm aware of that have been caused due to the severe thunderstorms. So, yeah, anyways, that's all I have to say as of right now. We'll see if any other alerts do get issued, although I highly doubt it. But we'll see.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washita County in western Oklahoma, northwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma, northeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cloud Chief, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Carnegie, Hydro, Mountain View, Corn, Eakley, Colony, Alfalfa, Cloud Chief, Fort Cobb Reservoir, and Cowden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service.
So, as you can see,
Warning for eastern Washita County in western
that was on
Oklahoma.
KJ194. To be honest, I completely forgot I set this on KJ194. So, yeah. Anyways, so, yeah, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now.